We often use soldering in LED projects. Let me show you how to solder the wire with LED tape lights like a pro. Okay, let me make a fresh cut for demonstration. I cut the soldering pad in the middle. First step, we need to put the strip lights in place. For hold the strip light in place, usually I like to use a little bit of the double-sided tape to hold it in place. Don't worry, it's very easy to remove after the soldering. The second step, we need to apply some solder to the soldering pad. Use your soldering tip, apply to the soldering pad, preheat for 3 seconds, and apply some solder. Once the solder melts, remove your soldering tip as soon as possible, because if you stay a long time, the flux is gone. Let me repeat. Apply, 3 seconds, apply some solder, remove. Next step, we need to tint your wire's conductor. That means same thing, apply some solder to the wire conductors. The final step, we need to solder the wires to the strip lights. Place the soldering tips on the pad. After the solder melts, insert the wire and remove as soon as possible. Let me repeat again. Place soldering tip, melt, insert, remove. After you solder the wire to the strip lights, you may put a short piece of the heat shrink tube to protect the soldering pad. Thanks for watching.